what we'll be concerned with at this point really is just the timing of the action. We'll switch to isoparms, and we'll try to play this back in real time. We'll hide all the lights, we'll hide the background. Still not quite real time, so let's go to display level of detail low. We'll go to shaded box. Let's actually get rid of the tube, because that's probably, because there's so many polygons on that tube now after subdivision, it's probably slowing things down. Still not quite real time, so let's go to box, and we'll switch views to one view. That's real time.